Hey everyone, I want to show you something that I just recently tried and I was really surprised by the outcome. You can see this is one that I just finished. The headlight is much clearer. Now take a look at this headlight. It is very yellowish, very unable to get much light through, and both of them were this way. So I went and bought some headlight lens restorer kit by Turtlewax. Now I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. Like I said, I just went to the store, picked some up, and thought I'd try it because I was about ready to buy new lenses. But you can see, and I did this all by hand. And actually I'll show you a little bit how easy this is to do. And it's a pretty simple process. That is not perfect, but I also didn't put a ton of time into it either. And just did what I thought needed to be done. And you can see the difference. It's really cloudy, really bad, and then on this side, and I got a glare, but you can see it's a lot clearer. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up and show you guys how easy and simple this process is. Alright, so basically what you do is you start out with a clean lens, and I've got my dog out here, likes attention. But anyhow, so this is what all there is. So the lens clarifying compound is what you're supposed to apply first. So, and then if that makes it clear, then you skip the other steps. But unfortunately, mine are so bad, I had to use all the steps that they asked me to use. So I just put quite a bit on there and start spreading it on. They tell you to tape this off, don't get it on your paint. This van has been, we've got 4 kids, it's been on a lot of trips, it's got over 200,000 miles, it's seen a lot of use and abuse. I'm not that worried about the little bit of paint around the lens. If you got a nicer car, you may want to pay a little bit closer attention to it. And you can see all the yellow that's coming off on my paper towel. The lighting out here is not the best, but quite a bit. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but it has cleared up quite a bit already. Just by doing the first coat. But you can still see there's areas that still aren't really well. So I'm going to take it through the next couple steps and show you what it takes to get this to even better. But just that first step alone has made this so much clearer. Now these pads, they make them pretty idiot-proof. They've numbered them. You can see number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Then all you do here is just put a little bit of spray lubricant on the pad. And it tells you to go in the same direction. And then the next one you go in the opposite direction. So this one, gonna go up and down. And it also says only do the areas that are affected. And I don't know if you can see this very well, but it is taking almost like a little tiny layer off of the plastic. These are, it's basically like a polishing, almost like a light sandpaper. Next, go to number 2. And you go 90-degree direction from number 1. Set that to the side. Same thing with number 3, go 90 degrees. See, I'm not putting a ton of time into this. Number 4. I forget which way I just went. Hopefully this is 90 degrees from that. some paper towels. It says use a terry cloth, use, yeah, clean cloth. I'm just using a paper towel. Like I said, the garage isn't the brightest out here, but you can see there's a huge difference already. But now it says to get a little bit better shine, to polish it one more time with the compound. So I'm using the lens clarifying compound again. Wells, there you are. Make sure my dog didn't wander off. Okay, go ahead and lay down. Let's get some of this compound off. Still getting a little bit of yellow off. Not sure if you can see that very well, but look at how clear that is now. I was considering replacing them because our headlights were getting so dim. And now look at how bright. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I just put random stuff on here. And hope you enjoy this video. Also, if you want this product, I hate going to YouTube and seeing something I really like and can't find the product. So I'll try and find a link and put it down in the description. Thanks for watching.